Every foundation fighting your marriage. Every foundation fighting your marriage. It seems as if it's a pattern in that family. Anyone who gets married must always have marital crisis. Any foundation fighting your marriage, it fought your parents, it fought your siblings, and they say you are the next. I judge them. They say you are the next. I declare you are choking and passing. Oh, it is not for you. It is not for you. You foundation challenging their marriage. You foundation in charge of crisis. They enjoy their marriage, but suddenly something happens somewhere. It seems as if it moves from joy to sorrow. It moves from matter to something else. I declare, you are meant to enjoy that marriage. You are meant to enjoy that marriage. Any evil hand in charge, any evil hand that have stepped into your marriage, anything called foundation attacking your marriage, we attack them now. I attack them now.